Hey guys, welcome back to the DM and Friends. I am DM Angelo, and I'm going to do this very quick video on my Boothill stuff. And the reason why I'm doing this is because in about a week and a half, North Texas is going to be happening. The North Texas RPG Con, which happens every June, first week of June, first weekend of June. So I'm going to be running 2 Boothill games there. I run Boothill every year there. It's super fun con, and I hope to see you guys there. But reason why I'm doing this video is because I want to show you guys some of the terrain. I need to pack all this up because I'm going to be driving out there, bringing everything with me, and just wanted to really quick show you guys some of the cool stuff. So hopefully you'll either be playing in the game or maybe late another time you will. But just a little sneak peek, fun stuff. So I'm going to see if I can do this. So let's turn around here, and yeah. So here's my gaming table, and I was doing some kind of mock play testing on some scenarios and stuff, and so this is going to be a lot of this will be at North Texas, and there's some other stuff in the other room that I'll be bringing to. But let me see, we're getting a little, let me turn a little bit more lights on in here. But yeah, so anyway, so here's the back of the town, the windmill and the little schoolhouse church. But if you come around the table here, I don't know if you guys can see this very well. Hopefully you can see it. There's the entrance of the town, which I don't have a name on there. I need to mark something up there. But coming down the town, this is your train station. The train will be coming in through here. Very first building is the sheriff, and the corner saloon, the Palace Saloon. Obviously, we're going to have in the very center of the town is the Hangman's Noose there. But over here on this side, you got the post office, which a lot of things happen here. You have the dentist and part-time surgeon, full-time dentist. Another saloon, rubber band around this. I just glued something so it's holding it together. And then you have the gunsmith over here. Just put a couple little pieces on there, some guns. But coming back here, yeah, really cool little schoolhouse. So back over here, you have the Bella Union, which was modeled after a famous hotel in LA. So yeah, coming down the street, hope I'm not getting you guys dizzy. I'm getting dizzy. Coming down the street here, another little part here, but let me swing back over here. Hopefully you guys will be able to see all this. But yeah, general store, bank, Asair, some horses for sale, livery over here. Kind of did some of these weird little mock-ups on little tile. I'm going to be doing more of that stuff with that later on. Water tower. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty cool over there. I got this coach here with the horses. I got this last year. I got this at Historicon at the flea market there. It was pretty cool. But yeah, so this is a little sneak peek of some of the terrain I'm bringing. I'm really excited. I love running Boothill, and it's always a lot of fun. Turn around here. All right. Oh, we made it. Woo! So anyways, very quick little sneak peek at what you got to expect. But yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing everybody at North Texas. I can't wait. I love going there every year. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, so anyways, see you guys soon. Take care. Keep gaming, guys, and giddy up. Bye-bye.